Hi! In this video, you will learn the most common greetings in European Portuguese. If you are starting to learn European Portuguese, these phrases will make you sound more natural and more confident when speaking. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more content like this. Let's start. So, first we have hello. We say olá. And you can say this to everyone, to your friends, to your family, and if you bump into someone on the street, you just say Olá, Olá. It's very small and cute. Olá. To say good morning, you just say bom dia, bom dia. And you can say this when you enter a place or if you are greeting somebody in the morning. And we usually say this until 12 or until we have had lunch. So, bom dia. So, we say boa noite, say good night. We usually say this when we are going to bed. Or again, if we see somebody and it's the night time, we just say boa noite, boa noite. Then we have boa tarde, which means good afternoon, and you use it to greet people, and you should start using it after you have had lunch. So it's like boa tarde, boa tarde. Now we have adeus, adeus, which literally means goodbye, and we use it to say goodbye, adeus, like when you are leaving somebody, adeus. Then we have até logo, and this is a way of saying goodbye, but you only say até logo if you are going to see the person later that day. So you use até logo to say see you later. Now, até amanhã, it literally means see you tomorrow. So you say this to people when you are saying goodbye for the day. Até amanhã, até amanhã. Por favor means please, and you should use it when you want to ask please for something, like to be polite. Por favor, por favor. De nada means you are welcome. We say de nada. Like if somebody asks me for a favor and I want to say you are welcome, you say de nada. De nada. To say that you are sorry in a formal way when you don't know the person, it's desculpe, desculpe. And if you want to know the other ways of saying sorry, I made a video about it and I will leave it in the description of this video. So go watch it next. Desculpe. We use com licença to say excuse me. Com licença. Like when you want to pass and somebody's in front of you, you just say com licença, so they will let you pass. Com licença. Tudo bem, it's how are you? Tudo bem, and we just say it to ask the person how is the person doing. Tudo bem. This literally means everything fine, and we use it to say how are you. Tudo bem. We also have como estás, and it's another way of asking the person how is the person doing. Como estás? And to answer to those questions, you can say estou bem, which means I am fine. You're expressing that you're okay. Estou bem, estou bem. We use sim to say yes. Sim, sim. And we use não to say no. Não, não. We use claro to say of course, like claro, of course. And this can also mean light in some context. So if you see this word, it can either mean of course or light. And to say maybe, you just say talvez, talvez. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and watch another video. I will see you in my next one.